Good morning. Welcome back. Welcome back to my video. And today is the day of picking up the Project Civic EK VTIS to Gisborne. We're heading now to the airport, so we'll just take some few transportation. Andito na ako sa bus stop, and then we're gonna transfer to train and then another bus. So it's kind of cloudy, misty right now dito sa area namin, which is I live in Kohimarama, Auckland. I'll just see the overview of this. You can see that yan yung beach, yan yung Kohimarama beach, but it's so foggy. Halos wala kang makita. It's so foggy, hindi mo makita yung tubig sa dagat dahil sa fog. So it's Tuesday right now, 11:15 in the morning. I have a flight at 1:50. So it takes around 1 hour and 15 or 20 minutes to get there kasi I'm taking public transportation. But if you have your own car going to the airport, it will only takes about 35 minutes to get there. Yeah, so yeah, I'm just gonna wait for the bus and then we'll just keep moving, guys. All right, so stay tuned and I'll see you later. Thank you. Bye-bye. Thank you. Guys, I'm finally here in the airport. So there's the domestic airport, and I'm just gonna take the boarding pass para makasakay na tayo ng aeroplano. So I'm going in now, go to the counter and get a boarding pass. We'll try here. We get our boarding pass. Okay, we're boarding pass now here. So we'll just go to the gate. So okay, gate will be doesn't say yet the gate, but where is Gisborne? The flight is 5167. Gate 39. So we're going to gate 39 now. Okay. I'll cut this video muna and then I'll come back to you guys. Okay. Thank you. See you in my next video. So we are here now, guys. Gate 34 to 50. Gate 39 tayo, but I'm not sure bakit hindi pa sila may papapasok. But nakasarado pa rin. So ang dami naghihintay dito na mga pasahero para makapasok dyan sa gate na yan. Anyway, 1:50 pa naman yung flight, so they still have enough time. And I'm sure they know what they're doing. Kaya wait lang tayo, chill lang tayo. There we go. Finally, we're getting board now to Gisborne. So this is our flight. This is our aircraft. So
Gisborne? 6. Thank you.
Yeah.
6 on your right.
So this is us. arrived in Gisborne Airport, and now it's here now. It's the moment of truth. Nakikita na natin yung EK ngayon. And yeah, I'm very excited, guys. So I'll cut this video now and then see you in my next video. Alright? Thank you very much for being with me. Thank you. See you later. Bye-bye. Finally I'm here in Gisborne now and looking at this gem. You know, it's a true precious. And you know what? Honestly, Ben, this is the farthest place I ever been.
Oh, okay.
Just to get a car.
Yeah.
I never been in outside Auckland
Oh, yeah.
to get a car, but because of my determination, because of my interest of your car, I really don't mind flying, you know.
A little trip.
Yeah, a little bit of trip. Give me. So yeah, so there you go, guys. I finally see the car now. Yeah, and this is Ben,
Hey, how's it
who's
going?
the owner of this car. And yeah, and I'm very thankful, Ben, for being patient
That's fine.
and being
We got there, dude.
cooperative. Yeah. So yeah, I'm just taking a look around of this car, guys. Okay. So this is our little project of this car. So I'm not gonna take more of your time, Ben, because I need to drive back to Auckland, and that's a long drive. It's gonna be a long drive for me, but anyway, yeah, I'm very excited. I'm very happy. I finally got here now. So yeah, so I'm just gonna cut this video for the moment, guys, and then I'll come back to you. All right, thank you. Hello, guys. Finally, we got the car now. Andito na siya. Kasama na natin yung kotse ngayon. Ito, yung project car natin na Civic EK. And now, it's already 3:51 in the afternoon from Gisborne. And I need to drive back to Auckland, and that will take at least 6 hours. So roughly, it's almost 4 p.m. na. Then, let's say 6 hours, so 10 p.m. But I need to make some couple of stop. Hindi ko dediretsuhin yung trip natin, so I'll just make a couple stop somewhere in between along the way para makapagpahinga rin tayo, makakain tayo, of course, para makapagpahinga rin sa sasakyan natin. Okay, I'll see you on my next video, guys, and thank you for watching. Thank you for being thank you. Maraming salamat, guys. Okay? And I'll see you on my next video. Cut for now. Bye-bye. So finally, guys, we got this Honda Civic EK. Now we're heading back to Auckland. So again, it's almost 4 p.m. na, and travel time is 6 hours and 20 minutes. So another 10 hours. No, sorry. Another 6 hours and 20 minutes. Basically. So if kung susumahin natin, alas 4 na ngayon, then plus 6 hours and 20 minutes. So at least 10:20 tayo makakarating sa bahay. Pero we'll do a few stops.
Continue on Pacific Coast Highway for 2 kilometers.
We'll do a few stops para makapagpahinga tayo, makakain tayo, makapagpahinga rin yung sasakyan. So, yeah. First time ever na bumili ako ng sasakyan na napakalayo. First time kong ginawa ito sa buhay ko. I've been doing buying cars, pero nasa loob lang ng Auckland. Pero ito yung talagang out of my mind. But you know, for the love of the course, you know, kasi gusto ko talaga itong sasakyan na to, you know. So I gamble myself and I trust it na okay itong sasakyan na bibili natin na kahit malayo siya. So yeah, and so far I'm really happy with this car. It's not perfect car, guys, pero of course at this age maayos siya. Everything's work. Radio, AC is working, lights is working, heaters working. So engine is good. Hopefully wala talagang issue. Pero kanina no, chinek ko kanina siya sa ilalim, basa yung ano niya, yung pinakailalim ng makina. So I hope na walang major issue dun sa ilalim na yun. Anyway, ipapa-service natin siya para ma-check ng maayos kung talaga bang wala talaga yung ano yun. Baka dahil na siguro sa pagkaka-top up ng oil. Minsan kasi ganun talaga. Pero yeah, I'm just hoping and praying na maayos siya, wala siyang issue. So yun yung pinaka main concern ko dito sa sasakyan na to. And then everything is all stock. A little background nitong sasakyan na to. So they've been owned this for 15 years as per the owner. So yun, so it's a family car. It's a family car. So
Continue on State Highway 2 for 136 kilometers.
So yun din yung nagustuhan ko kasi walang ginawang modification dito sa coaching to. Kaya plus also I like the engine na nakalagay dito, D15 VTEC. Karamihan sa mga D15 is non-VTEC. So ito VTEC siya. So isa yung class. Kaya na-encourage akong kuhanin talaga siya. Meron namang mga ibang Honda Civic EK sa Auckland, pero just like I said on my first video, karamihan hindi na ganun kaayos. Ito aesthetic lang, like you know, itong upholster sa sidings or door card, yun na yung papaayos natin. Minor dents, yun. So pa-projectin natin ito sa akin na to. Lilinisin natin siya, detail, everything. Then I'll check the maintenance also. We'll do the change oil also at the same time para siyang naka-reset na siya. So alam na natin na okay na yung sasakyan, good, kasi nagawa na natin yung dapat gawin na service. And again, hopefully that there's no major concern na kailangan natin gawin this project, which is I'm very thankful and I'm really hoping na maintenance lang, few minor things. Okay, I'm excited, guys, really. Even sa Pinas hindi ako nagkaroon ng Honda Civic. I don't know, hindi ko talaga alam bakit bigla na lang dumating sa point ko na gusto ko rin mag Honda Civic EK. I think every time na nanonood ako ng YouTube, lagi ko nakikita ang AK, papoporma, you know, tsaka sa TikTok, nakikita ko, puro AK, ang ganda sa. Sabi ko, ba't kaya hindi kaya ulit ako, ba't hindi kaya ako gumawa ulit, bumuo din ng AK, you know. Sana ito na yung magiging for keep card natin na i-maintain sa atin at yun, aariin natin. Yeah, hopefully that's the plan. Now, driving wise, it's good, very smooth yung driving. Kanina nung lumabas ako sa parking lot sa airport, naramdaman ko yung suspension, parang ano na, parang siyang worn out na. Pero as I'm driving now, pakiramdam ko okay naman eh. I don't know, maybe because kasi wala akong masyadong lubak na nadadaanan. Hopefully okay, or naninibago lang ako. Yun. Yeah. Thank you guys again, and samahan niyo ako with this journey. Itong Honda Civic EK natin, and please comment down below also kung ano yung paint code nitong sasakyan natin na EK. Hindi ko kabisado kung anong pangalan o tawag dito sa ganitong kulay. I've been seeing this back in the 90s when I was a kid. May kwento ko lang, I remember meron kami kasama sa church before na naka-EK, dalawa sila na church member, isang blue ganito and isang green. Kaya I remember na stock color talaga to, naglabas ang Honda ang ganitong paint color, and which is very unique. I don't see much yung ganitong kulay even sa Pinas. Very rare. Siguro back in the days hindi siya ganun ka-appealing, kasi light blue, alam mo yun, hindi loud, quiet. So yeah, so hopefully yan, i-detail natin itong sasakyan na to, of course. Kagaya nung ginawa ko dun sa Civic ng kapatid ko kay Raymond, detail natin, cut and polish. Kaya ganito rin gagawin natin sa kanya. Siyempre, alagaan natin ito. We'll give more life to this car. And I'm very thankful. I had a very safe trip, safe landing, and it's a beautiful day, it's a beautiful weather, sunny, and sana magstay pa yung araw para mabigyan ako ng liwanag sa daan pauwi. Yun. So maraming salamat guys. So I will cut this video for now, and then I'll come back to you later. Okay, thank you guys, stay safe, okay, and God bless.
Always watching back. Top shit.
Hi guys, welcome back to my video. And this is my first stop now, it's Whakatane. I'm here at Whakatane. Pahinga lang ako sandali. Pinahinga ko rin yung sasakyan. I drove from Gisborne to here for about 1.5 hours. So I took a break, and then after this video, lakad na ulit tayo going to Rotorua. So next stop, Rotorua. So far so good. Si EK, okay naman yung driving namin. Naging foggy lang talaga this evening. Sobrang foggy, almost 90% fog. Yes, so guys, I'll see you in my next stop, on my next video sa Rotorua. Okay, thank you. Cut for now.